I'm in here with Steve Boutang, tournament coordinator for GFI, and I see a bunch of work going on, and let's just take a look at these seats here. Now, if you look up here, you'll notice that you'd have to be very, very skinny, and there wouldn't be that many seats. Why? Because the boards that are the seats had to be replaced, right?
Yeah, it's been a bit of a challenge trying to put the tournament together here. Got a lot of help from the community, donating a lot of materials. Some of the groups, some Canifest folks came out and helped us paint. Of course, our board of directors is busy working almost around the clock, it seems, right now, with only a couple of weeks left until the tournament.
Okay, so I see a couple of young guys here doing some painting, and I see a whole bunch of bare wood, and you need a hand with that.
Yeah,
right?
We got some fine young men here doing as much work as they can, but a lot of bright colored raw wood there that needs that beautiful blue paint on it. So
okay, and how many boards do you have to paint, and how much time do you have to do it in?
I can't count that high how many boards we have to paint, and we have very little time to get it done. So
and he could use your help.
I sure could.
Like paint, you know, like in what was that? Karate Kid.
Karate
Paint.
Kid.
Yeah.
Wash on, wash off.
That's right, exactly. So if you saw Karate Kid, you know what we're talking about. If you didn't, why don't you come down and help anyways? Because GFI, it's a big thing for the community, right?
It is. It's one of the biggest baseball tournaments in North America. This is our 37th year. Lots of tickets have been sold. We got some great teams coming this year. It's a fantastic week. 7 full days of baseball excitement. It's going to be a great time.
And you know, the teams, well, they'll be okay, but we want to have butts and seats, and we need seats to have those butts sit on. So we need your help. He needs your help.
I need your help.
That's right. You know, like, gee, it's a good thing. That's what volunteering is all about. You come out and you help out, and the community is benefiting because you came out to help Steve and everybody else put on a great show for all of the people coming to visit, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so how can they come out and help? When do you need the help? And
most of the time we're here in the evenings.
Okay.
Like right now, and we're painting for the next couple of days. And when that's done, it'll be time to do the next project, which is, you know, putting up some paper around the ballpark and, you know, cleaning up the weeds and that sort of thing.
So yeah, they could use your help.
There's lots of work to be done.
Yeah. Come out and volunteer. What else are you doing, really, in the evenings that's going to make you feel good about yourself?
Hockey's finished. Basketball's going to be finished.
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing else going on.
There you go. Hey, so this is a plea for your help. Volunteers, we need you. Come out, help your community. Help make the GFI a going thing. This is good. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you.
I hope we can get some people out.
I'd like that too.
Yeah. Okay, that's Steve. I'm Les for What's Up in Grand Forks, and this is something that's What's Up in Grand Forks. It's going to be happening, but we need to have seats, and the seats need to be painted and put up. Hey, it's going to be good. You can help make it good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's Steve. I'm Les. This is the GFI, and I'm going to let these guys go back to having their music now.